In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a website from Cloudflare. This process is quite straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything is executed correctly. Whether you're doing this for maintenance, troubleshooting, or just moving your site elsewhere, we'll guide you through the steps with ease and clarity. First, you'll need to start by navigating to the Cloudflare account homepage. This is your main dashboard where you manage all your websites linked to Cloudflare. Make sure you're logged into your account. If not, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of websites that are currently using Cloudflare services. This dashboard acts as the control center, allowing you to manage settings for each website individually. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the website you wish to remove from Cloudflare. This action will direct you to the settings specific to that chosen domain. It's important to double check that you've selected the correct site, as making changes here affects its DNS settings and overall integration with Cloudflare. Navigating through the list should be fairly straightforward, as it's organized to give you a clear view of each domain. Once you're viewing the settings for your selected website, look for the option that says Remove from Cloudflare. This is a crucial step as it initiates the process of detaching your site from Cloudflare's services. Clicking this option prepares your domain for removal. It might feel a bit daunting, but don't worry, we're almost there. All necessary precautions have been considered to make this as smooth as possible. Finally, you'll be prompted with a confirmation option. This safety measure ensures that you truly intend to proceed with the removal before any action is taken. At this stage, simply click on Remove. This step can often be accompanied by a pop-up asking you to confirm your choice. Take a brief moment to verify that all your data is backed up and that you're ready to continue. Once confirmed, Cloudflare will begin the process of detaching the website, and you'll no longer see it listed in your dashboard. Please be aware that after removing a site from Cloudflare, it may take some time for DNS changes to propagate across the internet, so plan your timing accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a website from Cloudflare. This process helps in maintaining control and ensuring that your online assets are managed according to your current needs. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Cloudflare's support resources. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.